Hi, and welcome to this video, a video which was not initially planned. I had originally gone out to the old Hornsey railway line to shoot B-roll and take photographs in the icy weather for my upcoming What I Spotted in December video. But unfortunately, due to the weather, it was incredibly difficult to get decent photographs. It was incredibly cold, and yet there were still people out in the countryside working. After failing to get any decent photographs, I decided to change tack and try and film the wildlife in this weather instead. This still proved to be very difficult. Whilst I did see a lot of birds like fieldfare and blackbirds, they were extremely wary of people and stayed at a distance 95% of the time. It proved tough to get footage. Focusing was sometimes an issue, and whilst I could hear a lot of birds like these lapwing, the poor visibility meant that a lot of the wildlife just couldn't be filmed, or the footage was very poor. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the footage that I managed to get, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.